Solid tips to improve your affiliate marketing skills. Affiliate marketing is becoming an increasingly popular way of enhancing a company's online visibility. While the concept itself is easy enough to understand, there are many technicalities involved in making the venture successful for both the product manufacturer and the affiliate marketer. This video is filled with valuable advice on the best ways to take advantage of all the opportunities that exist for starting or improving an affiliate marketing venture. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like Domains by Proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, avoid signing an exclusivity clause with your affiliate company. Signing this will prevent you from offering advertising from different companies on your website, and causing you lose out on new opportunities. A company that does not have your best interest in mind is not a company you want to work with. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Affiliate marketing is a highly competitive business that requires a high level of technical knowledge and marketing skills. Many people fail in this venture because they aren't aware of all the marketing strategies and techniques that they can use to increase the flow of traffic to their website. By following the advice in this video, you can save time by avoiding tactics that don't work, and increase your profits by implementing the ones that do. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.